Pranams everyone. How many of you have heard of the practice of Tibetan rites? Well, I'm not going to go too much into the theoretical aspect. Let's dive into the practice. So Tibetan rites has 5 practices. Let us look at what these 5 practices are. First, stand with your feet slightly apart. Bring your arms till the level of your shoulders. Pick a point in front of you and we're going to rotate clockwise. Now you move or rotate in such a way that you keep your attention at that point for as long as you can. So it will look something like this. Once done, keep your right foot forward, hold pranama at the level of your eye and look at the tip of your fingers until the spinning stops. Now as you rotate, you have to visualize a box below your feet and you ensure that you rotate within that box. This is rite number 1. Second rite. Lie down on your back. Place your hands by the side of your body. Those who have lower back pain, tuck your hands below your back, support your lower back. Others, hands out, palms facing down. With inhalation, lift both your legs up, lift your chin up, bring it to your chest. Exhale and down. Inhale, leg up, chin up. Exhale, down. Inhale, leg up, chin up. Exhale, down. Relax. Third rite. Turn to any one side. Come up. Come on your knees. Toes can be tucked in or out. Support your lower back. So it will look like this. Your wrist is at the lower back. Hip bone, fingers facing down. Bring your chin to your collarbone. Roll the shoulders back. Inhale, push the hip forward, bend back. Exhale, chin to collarbone. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, chin to collarbone. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, chin to collarbone. Relax. This was the third rite. Now, let's look at the fourth one. Sit with your legs stretched forward. Keep your heels at the edge of the mat. I'll tell you why we do this. Now, place your palms by the side of your waist. Bring your chin to your collarbone. Inhale, lift the hip up. Drop your neck back. Your feet is firm on the floor. Exhale, bring your hip back and down. Now, as you transition in and out, ensure that the heel remains at the same spot from where you started. Chin to collarbone. Inhale, lift your hip up. Feet down, come into the table pose, just like a table. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. This was the fourth rite. Now, the last one. Transition into the mountain pose. Heels down. Try and look at your navel. Now from here, without bending your elbows, move your hip and your chest forward. Bring your hip down, not your knees. Lift your chin up. Exhale and go back. Inhale and forward. Hip down and chest down. Keep your knees up. Look up and go back. Inhale and forward. Exhale and back. Once done, bring your knees down and rest. Now, when we did this practice, we have done only 3 rounds of each practice. How many should one do? Start with 3 or start with 5, depending on your physical capacity. You can go up till 21. So each rite can be done 21 cycles. Now, once you're able to do this, you will see a lot of difference in your own physical well-being. Why don't you give it a shot and let us know what you think about it? Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.